What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your spark plugs in a 2003 Honda Civic. And you guys will notice that when I start my engine it is shaking a little bit, and when I do start it, it kind of sputters and it's running a little weird. So I'm going to go ahead and change the spark plugs. I got some new ones right here. This is the same kind that I put in there every time. If you guys have the same vehicle as me, I recommend you guys to use these spark plugs, the same ones. Here's the part number. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I'll go ahead and show you guys the tools you'll need to do this. You will need ratchets, 5/8 socket with the little rubber piece in there to hold the spark plug. I just used 2 extensions and then a 10mm socket. This one. We got these. Plus these. So this is all you're gonna need, and flathead as well. I'll go ahead and grab that. Alright, so I got my flathead, but that's all you need. It's just these 3. And your spark plugs, they should be already gapped, but you can check them. But they should be perfectly where they need to be. Alright, so let's get started. If you guys work on cars, you guys know you put your tools up there, that way you guys don't lose them. But go ahead and get your flathead here and take this little cover off. Now once you got the cover off, you're going to want to go ahead and get your 10mm socket. And you're going to want to undo the battery post, the negative. Once you take off the negative, you're going to want to get back over here. Get your 10mm socket. I prefer to use an extension because it's easier. Go ahead and take these off. I just break mine loose one by one. And once I break them loose, take these nuts off. You can go ahead and set these over here, that way you don't lose them. Now with these, when you pull them up, press in on the tab, guys, and do not lose track of which way these came out. You're going to want to put them in the same order. Now once that's done, get your 5/8 socket. Go ahead and take the spark plugs out. So that's what they look like right now. They're really white on top. So we'll see if this is the cause. And like I said before, if you guys haven't watched my previous videos on spark plugs, you do not need anti-seize for these type of spark plugs. There's 2 types, one with the nickel plating and one without it. The one without it, you use the anti-seize, and the one with the nickel plate, you don't. This nickel plated for your aluminum head is perfectly fine to put it in there just like that with nothing else on it. But you can see the difference here. So we'll go ahead and change these out. really tight or really loose, just nice and snug. Alright, you guys are done. Once you do that, reconnect your battery and start it up. It's barely vibrating. That's typical with these engines. So you're gonna have a little bit of vibration from these engines, but not a lot. Alright, you guys, that's how you change your spark plugs. Super easy and super quick. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe, drop a like. I'll see you guys on the next one.